iPad Pro pioneers our most advanced technologies and pushes the limits of what iPad can be. This is the all-new, impossibly thin, incredibly powerful iPad Pro. The 11-inch Pro is 5.3 millimeters thin, and the 13-inch Pro is an incredible 5.1 millimeters thin. And they're both lighter as well. In fact, the 11-inch model is less than a pound, and the 13-inch model is nearly a quarter pound lighter than its predecessor, bringing OLED to iPad for the very first time. So we developed a state-of-the-art display that uses two OLED panels and combines the light from both to deliver phenomenal full-screen brightness. This technology is called Tandem OLED, and it's a breakthrough for iPad Pro. And because Tandem OLED technology enables sub-millisecond control over the color and luminance of each pixel, the display in the new Pro takes XDR precision to a whole new level. And we're calling it the Ultra Retina XDR. And it's coming to both models. For the new iPad Pro, you might expect that we would use the extremely powerful M3. But this stunning design and breakthrough display required that we make the leap to the next generation of Apple Silicon. And here it is. Introducing M4.
And M4 also features an entirely new display engine designed with pioneering technology. The new CPU with up to 4 performance cores, and now with 6 efficiency cores, all with next-generation ML accelerators, delivers up to 50% faster CPU performance over M2 in the previous iPad Pro. The next-generation 10-core GPU architecture includes powerful features like dynamic caching, and brings hardware-accelerated mesh shading and ray tracing to iPad for the first time. And now, with M4, we have our most powerful neural engine ever, capable of an astounding 38 trillion operations per second. So that's M4. It's built with cutting-edge technology that enables the breakthrough design and stunning display of the new Pro, and delivers a giant leap in performance.
Users can capture detailed 4K ProRes video using the 12-megapixel back camera and rich audio from 4 studio-quality mics. iPad Pro also includes the LiDAR scanner, which makes AR experiences faster and more stable. And a new adaptive True Tone flash that makes document scanning on the new Pro better than ever. Finally, we have big news for the front-facing camera. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera moves from the portrait to the landscape edge, just like iPad Air. This is also the new home for Face ID and a completely new charging and pairing system for Apple Pencil. So that's the new iPad Pro. It features the breakthrough Ultra Retina XDR display, the next-level performance of M4, fast 5G cellular, and a landscape front-facing camera, all in a jaw-dropping, incredibly thin and light design that's the thinnest Apple product ever. The new iPad Pro comes with double the storage, which is now 256 gigabytes. The 11-inch model starts at $999, and the 13-inch model starts at $1299. Customers can order the new iPad Pro, Magic Keyboard, and Apple Pencil Pro today, and they'll be available next week.